Have you guys ever used apps where it's like you open it up, and I don't know if you guys use iOS or Android or Windows or something else, but it is very obviously not designed for your platform. Like you might be using an Android phone, open an app, and it's definitely designed for like an iOS app.
Yep.
Well, by going with native stuff, you in theory avoid those problems because hybrid you kind of develop the same app for both platforms at the same time and launch it. So it's good from a cost wise, but horrible from a usability. So just kind of talking about native app development in general.
Like Facebook's big mistake was using HTML5 in their and how slow it was and everything that, but it was on every platform, so they took away from usability of the app by having it available on all these platforms very quickly.
Exactly. And one of the saddest things is that a lot of those bigger app companies, Facebook's finally gotten away from it, but you look at like Instagram and a few other ones I can't think of off the top of my head, but they're still very much a iOS app on an Android app. Even once they went native, they just basically were like, let's just take all of our assets and put them over here. So, trying to say why that's not a good way to go, and just in general, for the users.
Yay! Don't
And
make my computer crash.
as far as sources go, I found a few online articles that are from developers. I really wanted to try and find articles actually written by developers. Means the content might not be as well written as what you'd get from like maybe a blogger or something like that, but then you're getting something that's actually straight from their point of view. So I thought that would be a good approach for it. And one of them, it's actually from an app development firm. And all of these kind of have the longer titles, but I think this one is just the advantages of native apps, which is nice. It's not a long title. And it's from twotoasters.com, which is their app development firm name. It's a fun name. But they go into depth. They talk about Facebook and a few of the other big apps that started off as web apps or hybrid apps and then kind of realized, oh, we done goofed here, and switched over to native and how that has improved their application function and